I've now taken the bulk of the comfrey out of the borders that I'm harvesting for today. I have many large piles like this. I've just shoved them on a table in the studio because there are only so many hours in my day right now. But either later this weekend or more realistically next weekend, I'm going to do a big dye bath, which of course I will share. So as you can see, I have not taken all the comfrey out, even though a lot of it is ready for harvesting. I want to encourage bees, butterflies, biodiversity. There's a whole selection of different bees here, and in fact they've been in my hair for a lot of the time when I was removing vegetation. It's possible that this large plant here, with a lot of pieces sort of down towards the ground, I'll need to remove a few more stems later today when I'm weeding here. I'm going to actually go inside and get a cold drink now. But if you have a quick look, there are two different colors here. There's a pink and a purple. And the purple has been self-seeding possibly more readily than the pink, or it just happens. That's how it looks. So what I'm actually going to do is take my time later today, go back around, and I'm leaving quite a few of the pink ones to self-seed. And of course I will do some more clearing, and I'm now going to be able to see the ground here and get rid of other weeds later this afternoon. Over and out from the dye borders at Clasheen.